Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to adjust your Instagram settings to see more sensitive content. So Instagram recently added a sensitive content settings with options to see less and standard amount or more sensitive content. You can change this setting to customize your experience. For example, if it's set to less, you can change it to standard or more. Keep in mind that sensitive content does not violate Instagram's rules. It's simply content that some users might find sensitive but still falls within the platform's guideline. And here's how to adjust the setting. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the three lines in the top right to go to settings and activity. Now scroll down and go to the section of content preferences. That is in the section of what you see between muted accounts and like and share accounts. Then tap on sensitive content. You'll see other options here, but we're focusing on this one. As the description says, sensitive content does not violate guidelines but covers topics some users may prefer not to see. Currently, in my account, it is set to standard, but if it's set to less in yours, you can change it to standard or more. Let's change it to more, and a message will appear saying that you might see more content about topics like sexually suggestive content or violence. Tap on confirm, and now you'll see more of this type of content on Instagram. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.